Okay, so we've been working with Excel to create pivot tables and different types of filters and slices and designing our pivot tables. And now I want to show you a different way of creating pivot tables, and that's using Google Sheets. Google Sheets is Google's take on Excel, with the main benefit being it's free. So I've got our data here in Google Sheets, and I just wanted to quickly show you how you would create a pivot table. So to start off, I would select the data, then you go Data, and then you go Pivot Table. It will always automatically open up the pivot table in a new sheet. If we have a look on the right hand side, it's got the data selected over here, sheet 1, A1 to E97, and then it's got a nice suggested section where you can see recommended pivot tables. If you select the little plus sign, it'll show you a picture of what your pivot table may look like. Then again, it's got rows, columns, values, and filters. So instead of dragging and dropping, for rows, if you wanted to add something, you would just say add, and then select month. And then if you wanted to add a column, you could select add, and then select year. And then for values, you could select add, and then select revenue. So that's the exact same pivot table that we could generate in Excel. One nice extra thing that's in Google Sheets is that you can click to remove the show totals, and you can also quickly change the order of the items. So you could say ascending or descending. Some people prefer using Excel and some people prefer using Google Sheets. Personally, I'm a fan of both. It'll be up to you to find out which you like better. If you don't have access to Excel, this is a perfect option for you to get some practice. Google Sheets is completely free. In addition to being free, there's no software requirements. Google Sheets opens up in your browser. In the next video, I'll be going over how you can practice more pivot tables in Excel and how you can grow your skills with pivot tables.